Take them down.
Understood. Good luck. We'll cover your back.
Hirja Gorpen!
What sort of animals would do this?
The Mongol kind. The woodcutters must have resisted them.
Let's kill every bastard in this fort.
Another patrol. We'll ambush them when they come through. Hide.
You heard him. Move. Open fire on my signal. Let them get closer. Now, kill them all! Come on, everyone. Let's get to the bridge. I heard Lord Shimura has an army, with samurai from the Shogun. Why aren't you leading them?
Lord Shimura has his plan to fight the Mongols, and I have mine.
You're on your own. This fort isn't yours to give us.
The Jito is at his castle. He'll have no need of this place. That came from the southern gate.
Got to see what's happening. Over here.
Yuna!
She did that.
We have to get over there. Let's get a look at the bridge.
This is our chance.
If we charge across the bridge, we'll have to deal with that Hwacha quickly.
Could you sneak under the bridge with that hook of yours? Take the Hwacha by surprise?
I could grapple onto the tree and swing across. There's a way up the cliff on the other side.
If they spot you, we can hit them with arrows. Charge across or sneak over. Either way, it'll be risky. We'll follow your lead, Lord Sakai.
Get your people ready to move.
Reinforcements on the way! Soldati check! We have to help my friends at the gate!
There they are. They brought some friends from Yarikawa.
I figured it out! You're the ghost! You're supposed to be 10 feet tall!
Keep fighting!
You finally got here! Don't get too close! They'll see me! I'm trying to get away!
You should have waited for us to open the gate.
Masako's idea! How many Mongols are left?
Just the ones here.
Then let's end it!
Lord Sakai! You're just in time!
Keep swinging, Norio.
That was close.
The fort is ours, my lord!
Shadows.
Is everyone all right?
Never better.
All things considered.
Good to see you, Lord Sakai.
Is it this cold everywhere up here?
You'll get used to it. Take any supplies we need, and prepare to ride for Jogoku. So, you and Takeshi,
That was my old life.
he and his people are more than hunters, aren't they?
Depends on how you look at it.
I told them they can stay and hold the pass for us. But I don't want bandits making trouble for innocent people fleeing the Mongols.
He knows what I'd do to him if they tried.
I think he's been looking forward to seeing you.
He's seen me. We can go now.
Let's get everyone to Jokaku. We'll plan our final attack from there.
It's time for the Khan to die.